What if I told you that in 2026, you can generate unlimited AI videos completely for free with no payment at all? Yes, totally free. No watermark, automatic perfect soundtrack, consistent characters, and even your characters can speak exactly according to your dialogue. And the crazy part is that all of this comes from a single free tool. Isn't that amazing? It honestly sounds unreal. But before you think this is fake, just look at the videos playing on your screen right now.
The message must get through! Faster, pigeons! We're almost there! Hold steady, big guy. Almost got it. Yes! Power levels are spiking!
This is incredible! Look at the view!
It is magnificent. Hold on tight! To the horizon!
Wow, here they come! Yay, little lights!
These are real results. Every single clip you see was created using a free AI tool. I didn't use multiple apps, I didn't pay for anything, and I didn't add music manually. Everything came ready with the video. Perfect visuals, perfect audio, no watermark, and smooth character consistency. The results honestly surprised me. And today I'm going to show you step by step how you can do the exact same thing. The tool I used is called Grok AI. Simply open Google and search for Grok AI. Click on the first link which appears in the front of you and you will land directly on the homepage of the tool. From there, sign up using your email and your dashboard will be ready. This is where all the magic happens. But before we start generating videos, we need to adjust a small setting. This step is important because it saves time and gives you more control. Click on the Settings option, then open the Behavior section. Inside this menu, disable the automatic video generation feature. When this option is turned off, you get full creative control over your videos, and the system works faster for manual prompts. This small change will make your workflow much smoother. Now let's create our first video together. Click on the Imagine option and switch from Image to Video option. After that, select your preferred aspect ratio depending on where you want to upload your video. For example, vertical for shorts or horizontal for YouTube, and do other settings. After this, simply enter your prompt and hit the Generate button. The AI will start working instantly. You don't need to add music or extra effects because the system automatically handles everything. After a few moments, our video is ready. And here we go. Just look at this result. The quality is sharp, the visuals are clean, the soundtrack matches the scene, and the character looks consistent and natural. Everything feels polished, like a professional edit. And remember, this is completely free. Now simply download the video with one click. Let's create another video to prove the consistency. Again, I enter a new prompt, hit generate, and the second video starts processing. The waiting time is very short. And here we go, it's ready. Look at this. Once again, the quality is impressive. The lighting, motion, sound, and character detail all look mind-blowing. It's honestly fascinating how reliable the results are. You can repeat this process as many times as you want and experiment with different styles, moods, and story ideas. I repeated the same process multiple times and created videos in different styles, some cinematic, some animated, some realistic. And here are the results on your screen.
I won't stop!
Welcome aboard the Dream Express! And the stars, saucer is so close.
This is paradise.
I could run like this forever.
Me too.
You can clearly see how powerful this tool is. In 2026, it's very hard to find a free AI tool that delivers this level of quality without adding watermarks or restrictions. Most tools either limit you heavily or force subscriptions, but this one gives real creative freedom. This is a huge opportunity for content creators. The tool provides daily credits that let you generate multiple videos per day, but here's a simple trick. If you want to continue creating more and more content, you can switch accounts using different emails. That way you can keep generating videos without stopping. This means you can create long stories, series, character-based content, or full cinematic projects. You can keep your characters consistent across videos and build an entire world using this tool alone. For creators, this is a goldmine. So now you've seen everything. I guided you step by step and showed you exactly how this works. The rest depends on your creativity. Go ahead, try it yourself. Experiment with ideas, grow your content, and create the videos you've always imagined. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. We will keep bringing more powerful AI tools and tutorials for you. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, and thanks for watching.